Welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright, so today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on this Suzuki Swift. So first step is just to open the glove box, right? And then you can just lift it from underneath to release the glove box. Just gently place it down. And then you can see the door that houses the cabin filter right here. There are two clips on the left and right. Simply press them to take the door off, and that reveals the cabin air filter right here. You can simply squeeze the filter to remove it. And this is the filter right here. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. Time for a change. So this is the new filter, guys. Just ensure when you're putting the filter in, you put it where it's facing up, like this. You just put it back into that little section. The door also has the direction in which it's supposed to go, so it's supposed to be like this, where it says up. Just fit that door back on. And just reverse the step with the glove box. Just fit it onto these grooves right here. Fit it onto these grooves right here. Make sure that this lines up with this. And we're done. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you like this content, just remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends.